I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Email Octopus. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, click on Email Octopus API key. Click on Create Key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Then click Create. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now navigate to Email Octopus page. Now select the lists. Here is the data that came into Email Octopus through the integration. Thanks for watching.